Hello student, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about a problem of linear algebra. See the problem. Consider the matrix M equal to A square AB AC, AB B square BC, AC BC C square. The matrix is given where ABC are non-zero real numbers. Then the matrix has option A 3 non-zero real eigenvalues. If we find the determinant of the matrix, then from first column we get common A, and from second column we get B common, and from third column we get C common. Then here ABC into this is A, B and C. If we take common B, then A, B, C, and from this we take common C, so A, B, C. Here the first row, second row, third row all are similar element, all have similar elements, so the determinant will be 0. So a matrix has determinant 0. It means that at least one eigenvalue will be 0. Let lambda equal to 0. So first option 3 non-zero real eigenvalues, the option will be discard because there are one eigenvalue 0. Option B complex eigenvalues. This is a real symmetric matrix, so all eigenvalue will be real. We know that eigenvalue of a real symmetric matrix are all real, so option B also false. Option C 2 non-zero eigenvalues. If we take M as M equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, we can take this because if we take A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, then we get the matrix. We can take ABC as 1 because ABC are non-zero real number. So this matrix, eigenvalues of this matrix is 0 0 3 because row sum is 3. So all row sum is 3, so one eigenvalue will be 3, and the determinant of the matrix is 0, so one eigenvalue will be 0, and the sum of the eigenvalue will be sum of the diagonal element, that is sum of eigenvalue will be 3. So one eigenvalue is 3, one is 0, then another will be also 0 because sum of eigenvalue is 3. So eigenvalue of this matrix is 0 0 3. But option C says that 2 non-zero eigenvalues. So here we get a matrix M whose 2 eigenvalue is 0. So option C will be also false. So correct option will be D. If you like my video content, then please give me like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.